The surge for mechanical keyboards highlights gamers' and typists' quest for precision, quality, and style. Similarly, Garmin trackers have become popular for their rugged build, accuracy, and versatility across sports and outdoor activities. List 1. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is a pocket-sized satellite communicator perfect for adventurers who venture off-grid. It offers global two-way messaging, SOS emergency alerts, and GPS tracking via the Iridium satellite network. Despite its compact size, only 100 grams, it packs robust features including weather updates and waypoint navigation. The device pairs with smartphones to expand functionality through the EarthMate app. Its rugged, waterproof design and up to 14 days of battery life make it ideal for hiking, camping, and remote exploration. While not a fitness tracker per se, it excels as a GPS safety tool that complements Garmin's fitness devices. List number: Garmin's vívoactive 5 combines vibrant AMOLED visuals with a comprehensive fitness and health tracking suite. It offers GPS for accurate step, distance, and route tracking alongside heart rate monitoring, pulse oximetry, sleep tracking, and stress management. With over 30 built-in sports apps, users can tailor workouts to their needs. The watch boasts up to 13 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, making it a reliable all-day companion. Its lightweight design and customizable watch faces enhance comfort and personalization. This tracker stands out as an excellent choice for users seeking style, precision, and robust health insights in one affordable package. List number 3. The Garmin Forerunner 165 is tailored for runners and athletes needing detailed performance data. Its colorful AMOLED screen provides crisp visuals, showing metrics such as pace, cadence, VO2 max, and recovery time. The built-in GPS ensures accurate route mapping and distance tracking. Advanced training features include race predictors, interval workouts, and coaching plans. With a battery life up to 13 hours in GPS mode, it supports long runs without frequent recharging. Lightweight and ergonomic, the Forerunner 165 is designed for comfort during intense workouts. It syncs with Garmin Connect for in-depth analytics and social sharing, making it ideal for dedicated runners aiming to improve performance. List number: the Garmin Venu SQ2 offers an excellent balance between fitness features and smart functionalities. It tracks heart rate, respiration, hydration, sleep, stress, and energy levels through body battery metrics. GPS provides accurate activity tracking for walking, running, cycling, and swimming. It supports music storage, smart notifications, and contactless payments via Garmin Pay. The 1.41-inch color display is clear and bright, though not AMOLED. With up to 11 days battery life in smartwatch mode, it suits daily wear and workouts. Its sleek, lightweight design is unisex and comfortable, making it a versatile tracker for health-conscious users wanting an affordable yet feature-rich Garmin smartwatch. List 5. The Garmin Approach CT10 is a specialized tracker system designed for golfers. The starter kit includes 14 sensor tags that attach to golf clubs, automatically tracking swing metrics and club usage. Paired with Garmin golf watches or smartphones, it provides detailed performance data to help improve your game. The lightweight sensors don't interfere with your swing and have up to 2 years of battery life. This system is perfect for golf enthusiasts wanting precise feedback on club usage and performance trends. It complements Garmin's wider ecosystem of fitness and outdoor devices, but focuses on the niche sport of golf.